Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Charlotte, and today I'm going to show you my nighttime routine in the bathroom, basically. Not everything. I can show you, I don't know, I can show you the shower stuff that I use, but I usually shower in the mornings, so I probably will leave that one out of this routine and do a morning routine as well. And by no means is this going to be anything fancy. So I'm just like doing as much as I can, as quick as I can, because my kids are still awake. Asher, my son, the 4-month-old, I just laid him down, and my 3-year-old is still awake. So I've got to kind of go through this pretty quickly. So I'm going to show you the products, and I think that's really all I can do. I'm going to try to prop up the camera so you can see. This is the mirror that I'm using, and this is the sink area. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you the products, and yeah. So as far as taking off my makeup, as you saw I have it on, I take a Simples Sensitive Skin cleansing wipe, and then I just bought this. I think it's brand new, and it is a dehydrated dry skin, simple, yeah, water boost, micellar water. And I will leave these things linked below. But yeah, I just bought this from Walmart, and it had a $1.50 coupon on it, and it was like originally $4, I think. But yeah, I really enjoy this, and it's very comparable to this Dermalogica Simple Cleansing Gel. They're basically the same thing. Both don't have any scent and do the exact same thing. So I'm super happy I found this one. This is just a sample size, or the travel size. But yeah, and then I sometimes use this toner after I clean my face. I'll rub it, or it's a spray bottle. I'll spray it all over my face and then let it set there for a minute and then rub it in. It's the Dermalogica Multi-Active Toner. I don't know if this does a whole lot. I don't really understand toners too much, but yeah, I've been using that a little bit. And the creams that I've been enjoying, I'm going to go with this one first. The Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Eye. It's almost gone, and I do like it, but I don't know if I'll repurchase it because I don't see a dramatic change with this. It's supposed to be mostly for like dark circles under your eyes, but I don't really have that. I have more of a problem area in wrinkles, just fine lines. And I was using this all over my face. It's the Origins High Potency, hello, Night in Men's. Yeah, it's skin refining oil, of course, you can read. But anyway, I've been using this, and it's almost gone, as you can see. I don't really know if it does anything for my skin, so I just stopped using it. I do plan on using it up, but I'm definitely not using it as much as I was. I think it's more of like a brightening thing for you, but as I was using it, I think I started noticing my nose area was inflamed more. So if you have like eczema spots on your face, I don't really recommend this because I stopped using it as much, and those spots have gone down. So I don't know if it's that, or I don't know, coincidentally, I don't know. But yep, and then the last thing here for skincare is the Skin Smoothing Cream. Again, this is the travel size by Dermalogica, and I love this stuff. Like, I really see a difference in my skin when it comes to my redness, and just like my skin feels, how do I say, it just feels a lot smoother and more plump when I use this. Because I was using, this is everything in my cabinet here. I got a lot of stuff over here that I don't even use, and some of this is for day cream. But I bought this full size Dermalogica Intensive Moisture Balance, and I think that means intensive moisture balance means to help with oil control, like you're oily or whatever. So I think I wasted my money on this, but I am going to try it again. But so far I really like the other one, so I don't know, that might go to waste, I'm not sure. But The other stuff up there, I don't use a whole bunch. I can mention it real quick. But this is the Clinique Moisture Surge, and that's the Turnaround Overnight Radiant Moisturizer. And I do like these. I just buy the sample sizes or the travel size, whatever. I do use these every now and then. But yeah, I'm almost out of them. It's the Original Skin Renewal Serum with willow herb. Yeah. I like this stuff, but I don't think it really does anything. And this is just the sample size. I put it on here and there, but I'm not really consistent with it either. And okay, so I'm going to move on to other things over here. These are just some moisturizers I use all the time. I use these mostly on the baby, but I did use up most of that bottle prior to buying this one. Anyway, these are the flossing things I really enjoy. They go through your teeth really nicely, and they're real thin, and it picks through. If you have a permanent retainer, this thing works great getting in between those teeth and getting the plaque and stuff out. This is the Tom's Anti-Plaque and Whitening Peppermint toothpaste, and I just figured I'd show you the toothbrush I have been using. It's the soft Colgate floss tip. You know what, I don't really see much of a difference in this thing. I just couldn't find one of the regular kind without the little rubbery thingies in it, so I don't know if I'll actually repurchase this or not, but whatever. And then this is the prenatal vitamin I've been using. So the angle of the camera and the lighting is very unflattering, but you know what, I really don't care. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of fast forward through my applying each product to my face and that kind of thing, just so you can see how I do it. You won't be able to see the sink, of course, but yeah, that's what we're going to do real quick. I'm not going to show you me brushing my teeth and all that, so but I use the wet brush. Sorry, you're all wobbly. I just use the regular wet brush for my hair. Yeah, it's getting pretty long, but yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you like these kinds of videos, I do plan on doing a morning routine just like this. Basically, that's kind of what I have to work with right now. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, I do have some different products for that for my face, and I do plan on doing a but my everyday makeup routine. I have that down pat now, so I plan on filming that and putting that up here soon as well, so be on the lookout for that. And I plan on vlogging my daughter's 3rd birthday. That's on the 22nd of July, and that's coming up really soon. Today's like the 18th, so yeah, it's coming up. And if you'd like to, just stick around. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.